Hey, what's going on guys? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed the Cooler Master Case H500M AMD 50th anniversary mod that I did. Check out my previous video if you haven't already and want to see more on that case mod. But in this video, I'm tearing apart the Intel Skull scratch build that I put together earlier in the year for IEM Sydney. And as you can see, it's pretty much already pulled apart, minus the fans, the radiators, and the pump and rest combo that I've decided to leave as is. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this as of yet. As I said in the original video, the system is pretty huge once you assemble it all, and not really practical to use other than as a showcase system at an event, or maybe if you're in need of a chassis capable of holding dual massive 560mm rads and have the space for it, I guess. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the teardown video and are able to maybe learn a little bit more of the process. So if you do find this sort of content interesting, then please leave a comment below. Let me know, and I'll definitely do more teardowns with other case mods as well. All my case mods get pulled apart after a while, one way or another anyways. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you do. Drop us a like as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.